It's not a new generation aircraft, yet its presence still commands attention on the global stage. The Tupolev Tu-160, known as the White Swan in Russia and Blackjack by NATO, remains the largest, fastest, and heaviest strategic bomber ever to enter operational service. Designed in the late Cold War era, this aircraft continues to be a formidable asset, not because it's stealthy, but because of its speed, range, and devastating payload capacity. The Tu-160 is massive in every sense. It stretches over 54 meters long, with a wingspan that extends to more than 55 meters when fully spread. In fact, it's even larger than America's B-52 Stratofortress. At maximum takeoff weight, it reaches nearly 275 tons. And with a top speed exceeding Mach 2, it still holds the record as the fastest strategic bomber in active service anywhere in the world. One of the most distinctive features of the Tu-160 is its variable geometry wing design. The wings can shift between 20 and 65 degrees, depending on flight conditions. This allows the aircraft to take off and land with greater stability, and then sweep its wings back for high-speed, long-range missions. It's a blend of flexibility and aerodynamic efficiency rarely seen at this scale. Powering the Tu-160 are four NK-32 afterburning turbofan engines, some of the largest and most powerful ever mounted on a military aircraft. Thanks to these engines, the Tu-160 can fly at speeds over twice the speed of sound, while covering more than 12,000 kilometers without refueling. In the upgraded Tu-160M variant, Russia has introduced the NK-32-02, a more fuel-efficient and reliable version of the original power plant. The Tu-160's real strength lies in its ability to carry and launch long-range cruise missiles. It can be armed with a variety of weapons, including the KH-55MS, the KH-101, and its nuclear variant, the KH-102. These missiles can strike targets thousands of kilometers away, allowing the aircraft to remain outside enemy airspace while still delivering a precision or nuclear strike. And now, Russia is testing hypersonic missiles like the Kinzhal and Zircon with the Tu-160 platform. If successful, it could become the world's fastest hypersonic missile carrier. Despite its Soviet-era origins, the Tu-160 is far from obsolete. Russia isn't just upgrading older models, they've restarted full-scale production of newly built airframes under the designation Tu-160M. This modern version features a digital cockpit, AESA radar, GLONASS satellite navigation, and upgraded flight computers, allowing for automated mission control and weapon deployment. The first newly built Tu-160M flew in early 2022, signaling a serious investment in long-range bomber capability for the next generation. The Tu-160 isn't just a warplane, it's a geopolitical tool. Whenever it flies near Arctic zones, the North Atlantic, or along NATO's borders, Allied fighter jets scramble in response. Its missions are often seen as direct shows of force. With its extreme range and missile loadout, the Tu-160 doesn't need to penetrate air defenses. It can simply launch from a safe distance, strike its target, and leave undetected. That's precisely why it's still taken seriously by military analysts around the world. The Tu-160 has several key strengths: long range, high speed, and unmatched payload capacity. However, it also has limitations. It's not stealthy, making it visible to modern radar systems. Its operational costs are extremely high, and only a limited number of units are active. But its strategic value lies not in sneaking into enemy airspace, but in hitting targets from well beyond its borders. The Tu-160 represents more than Cold War engineering. It's a living example of how sheer power, speed, and deterrent capability can remain relevant even in the age of stealth and drones. While the world turns toward digital warfare and autonomous platforms, Russia still relies on this supersonic giant to remind the world of its strategic reach.